Happy Friday, friends. All right, let's go take a look at this Kropf. It's been a minute since I've done a video on it. It is a Kropf Island. Oh, look at that. Ah, just gorgeous. And that sectional, oh yes, so comfy. So comfy. Speaking of which, I'll just take a seat and let's just soak in this very comfy living area. I mean, oh, I love it. That island right there is on wheels, so you can move it out of the way, or it can stay right there and you still have all that walk space around it in this gorgeous kitchen. Then you go over this way and check out that cupboard space. I mean, for real. Let's go down here. So in the end one here, we have washer and dryer hookups. Then turn around, bathroom. Yep, and storage over there. And then we'll come down here, and there is a back door. And bedroom. Again, lots of storage. And check out that wall. It matches the wall that's with the fireplace and TV also. It's nice when it flows so nicely throughout. And then we'll go up here. And we got a loft over here. And then a loft over here. Awesome! I love touring with you guys. Thank you for joining me. Okay, have a good day, have a good weekend, and we hope we see you next week when we open back up 9 a.m. Monday. Bye!